how to fix file import failure in Premiere Pro. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix file import failure in Premiere Pro. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Premiere Pro app on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. So, whenever you're trying to import some footages or content in your Premiere Pro, the system may show you these error messages. The first one is import failure 1 and the second one is importer reported a generic error. Method number 1. So you go to your file location and create a new folder on any drive, and what you need to do is just drag that folder into your desktop. So the goal is to change the location of your original file. So if you have a file on your desktop and you're getting this error, then copy and paste that particular file into somewhere else. So now when you import your file, you will not get this error message anymore. Method number 2. So if you're using Windows, what you need to do is just go to the file location. Now here is the folder of my video and footage. So just click on the top section view button from here and then go to options. Then head over to the view button from here and uncheck this box, hide extensions for known file types. Now rename your file and put an extension of MPS instead of MP4, and that's it. Now you can import the file and you will never get these error messages. So that's basically how you can fix file import failure in Premiere Pro. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.